Okay, I'm making a YouTube video to help people who drive a 1500 Ram Ecodiesel. Mine is a Bighorn 2018 edition, and so what happened was my kids played in the truck. The next day the battery was dead. And so I jumped my truck, got the truck running, but my screen was dead. So, you know the touch screen in the console inside the truck? So I looked all over the internet how to fix the screen, how to do a software reset, yada yada yada. But what it turned out was the fuse. And there was all different kinds of things on the internet about where the fuse was. So I'm going to show you where I found the fuse on my Ecodiesel 2018. So here's the fuse box here. Right here it's got the lightning bolt with the picture of a fuse. And so where I found the fuse for the radio, which for some weird reason they're always not in the fuse box. So okay, so this is my fuse box, battery, and then I looked down in here, see if I can find it again. You're not even gonna be able to see it, I don't think. See if I can locate it. I'll put my hand on it, see if you can see my hand. Oh yeah, there we go. So, sorry, this is hard to see. See if I can focus on it. Anyways, there is a fuse down here. You just take off this rubber cap and there's a 20 amp fuse, and I just took it out, checked it, it wasn't blown, and I put it back in. So hopefully you can see that. That's a better shot. That fuse, it's just, I mean, I looked for this thing for hours, and there it is. I took that rubber cap off. It was a yellow 20 amp fuse. Took it out, put it back in. I don't want to do it again because it was hard, because it's such a tight space, you know. So it's like almost kind of below the battery toward the cabin. And what I did was I used, you know, your fuse tweezers or whatever. That's how I pull it out. And then I just put it back in with my fingers. Okay, and then I want to show you that now my screen works. I didn't show you this in the beginning, but here's my screen. It was totally dead. You know, I turned it on, wouldn't work for a few days. And my backup camera, you know, nothing worked. So now that I took that fuse out, put it back in, I'm gonna turn it on here. Now my screen works again. I'm so happy because now I don't have to take to the dealership, because you know, nobody wants to go to the dealership. So now I got it going again. So I hope this helps somebody out there. Hopefully this is a fix for me. Hopefully it stays fixed. Okay, thank you.